So the types of paints, let's just quickly flick through this because most of you would know this. I mean, the choice of paint really comes down to the complexity of the surface, the area you're using, cost considerations come into it, whether it's decorative or durability you're looking for. When you actually look at the gloss levels, these are standard in the Australian standards. So basically a low sheen or a low gloss is 5 gloss points up to 20 gloss points. That's a big variation. And let me tell you, your low sheens will move through those levels. So intermixing a paint can give you problems. You'll find generally that your lower sheen levels are in the lower quality paints and primarily used in new construction, so it hides the defects. But paint basically comes in good, better, best. I know there's variations in those ranges and all the rest of it, but basically it's good, better, best. And, that's how you need to look at it. You wouldn't put a budget product outside. They're not designed for durability. So flat or low gloss finishes tend to mask imperfections. Relative flat finishes are also, I suppose they're rougher, so you shouldn't be using them in wet conditions like bathrooms and those types of things. The higher the sheen level, the more durable they are. But that gives you a bit of an idea of where they all fit. Flat paints like ceiling whites, almost impossible to clean. All they'll do is burnish and shine on you or leave a nasty mark. So again, it's not something that you need to try and clean. So when we talk about premium product, this is a Dulux product. This is their flagship. This is what they run their company on. All the paint companies have these. So it doesn't matter if it's Dulux, Wattle or PPG. Basically, all the investment goes in this, so you've got all the features and benefits. So basically, when you're talking about interior paints, the best paint is based around serviceability. Will it clean? Will it wash? Will it stain, restain? All the sorts of things that they jump up and down about. But basically, an interior paint is about serviceability. When you talk about exterior paints, again, you've got all your features and benefits in your top of the range: solar guards, weather shields, the PPG products and all those types of things. And basically they're talking about UV blockouts and durability. So it's going to expand and contract, it's not going to crack, it's not going to peel. They all come with different lifespans now. It was once 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and I think now we've got lifetime guarantees. So it just keeps on rolling on. Water-based or oil-based? That is the big question, yeah? Especially when it comes to what do I paint my doors and windows with? I'm going to say water-based is the best option. Basically, if you have a look on your left, non-flammable versus flammable, low odour versus high odour, low or no VOC versus high VOCs. Basically the big one, not yellowing, so you're going to retain the same colour. Enamels are going to yellow, particularly when they've got lack of UV, those types of things. On an exterior, you can see already in the standards they're 30% better off than an enamel, and they're going to take the weathering conditions. So again, I'm going to say water-based over oil-based every time. It's just a different skill level required to apply it.